Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm Judy with my Life as Kikay, and on this channel I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. One of the things that I love about being here on YouTube is the friendships that I am able to make on this platform. Little did I know when I first started on YouTube that I would be able to make such meaningful connections like the ones that I have here on YouTube. And so for today's video, I'm very pleased to say that this video is made in collaboration with my so-called Life 97. The lady that runs that channel, her name is Nona, and she is a wonderful human being. She does a lot of collabs in her channel, and so I asked her about a month ago if she'd like to do a collab with me, and she said yes. So today's video is done in collaboration with Nona. Nona has been a long-time subscriber and supporter of my videos. She is constantly watching and commenting on all my videos, and I'm so blessed to have her within my YouTube friendship circle. Every time she comments on my videos, it puts a huge smile on my face because everything that she says is said with such sincerity. You know, when someone is reeling off a comment just for the sake of commenting on a video, just for the engagement factor on YouTube. But when Nona comments on my videos, I know that she's watched my video for one. She's always cheering for me. She's always commenting on something that is within the video, so I always know that she's watched the video. She's one of those people. She's a true ride or die subscriber and friend on my YouTube channel, and so I'm very pleased to be doing a collaboration with her today. She's very passionate about her makeup, and she's always playing and experimenting with different colors and collabing with different people, and she's a very out there, diplomatic, friendly kind of person, and just the kind of person with a really big heart that you want as a friend in your life. I'm going to leave Nona's Instagram and her YouTube channel linked in the description box down below, and I'm also going to try and figure out how to leave it linked up on one of the cards here, wherever it appears on the screen. Check her a subscribe and a follow, and like her videos and comment and show her some love and say that Judy sent you. For our collaboration video, Nona and I discussed to use the juviasplace Magic Eyeshadow Palette. So for Nona's video, she's going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the warm tone colors in this palette. And for my video, I'm going to be using the cool tone shadows in the bottom half of this palette. So if you look closely at this juviasplace Magic Eyeshadow Palette, you'll see that there are two different color families, a warm one and a cool toned one. So if you want to see the eyeshadow look that I come up with using the juviasplace Magic Eyeshadow Palette, then just keep on watching. And if you want to see the look that Nona created using the warm toned eyeshadows in this palette, then head on over to the description box down below. I'm going to leave her video linked down there, and you can definitely go check her out and show her some love. Before I get straight into this video, please guys, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have used the juviasplace Magic Eyeshadow Palette and if you love it just as much as Nona and I do, because Juviasplace, oh my gosh, it's so good at the best of times, but look at the colors in this palette, so pretty. I'm gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna prime my eyelids using the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. It's a shade much too light for me because I want these bright shadows to stand out on top of them. There's not much of a transition shade as far as these cool tone colors go, so I'm just gonna go hard or go home. And I'm already home, so I'm gonna go hard. So I'm gonna go straight into the color Judie and apply this liberally throughout my crease. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going to take a dry, fluffy blending brush with no extra product, and I'm going to blend out those edges. I'm going to take some of this shade Ife and blend this out on the outer corners of my eye, just to give a little bit more depth and dimension, just so the color doesn't look so flat. Just want another little shade there. So I'm taking it on the outer corner of my eye, and then as the product dissipates in the brush, I'm just sort of gently flicking it to the inner corner of my eye as well, but not bringing it all the way to the inner corner. looking very crazy right now, but I'm excited. I'm gonna take a bit more of that concealer on a tiny, this is actually a lip brush, but I'm gonna use this tiny little brush to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take this tight packing brush. This one's actually the Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush. I want to utilize some of the greens because I don't wear green on my eyes very often and I want to get out of my comfort zone and use green. So I'm going to be taking some of this shade Yara on the inner corner of my eye and ombreing Yara with Buzo on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this shade Aja and apply that right in that little space that I've got left there. I'm just going to take some of that shade Buzo again and sort of very gently ombre those two colors in together in the middle so it's not such a harsh line. Okay, I'm feeling like I want a little bit more light right in the center of my eyelid. So I'm going to take some of this shade Yimoja and apply that right on the inner corner of my eye. Right, I'm going to clean up under the eyes, go in with my foundation base, and then I'll be back and we'll finish off the eyes. I'll be back with my foundation base. I've now got my foundation, bronzer or contour and powder on, but I wanted to come back on camera and apply my blush on camera because this one is also a Juvia's product and this one is their blush in the shade Serafina and it is so pretty and I just wanted to apply it on camera and show it to you guys because it's so pretty. So I'm just going to take some of that on the cheeks. Probably went a bit overkill with the blush, but I love blush and you can't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. Okay, that's enough with the blush. Let's finish off the eyes, shall we? I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Eyeliner in my waterline, and this one is a deep forest green color in the shade Fast Lane. I'm now going to stamp some of the shade Ife under the lower lash line, but not take it all the way to the inner corner. If I was totally using the warm colored shades in this palette, I would put some of that gold in the inner corner of my eye as well. Oh, that would be so pretty. But no, we are sticking to the cool tone shades in this palette. So I'm going to take some of the shade Faso and apply that on the inner corner of my eye. But first I'm going to swatch it to see if it is a bright enough color to apply on the inner corner of my eye. Yep, pretty perfect. Now I'm going to take some of that shade Yimoja and apply that right on the absolute inner corners of my eyes. I find that layering colors gives so much more dimension to every look. I'm having so much fun just playing with makeup. I haven't done this in a hot minute. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush without any extra product and blend out the lower lash line. I want some of that blue up the top there to be a little bit more cohesive with the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to take a tiny of that shade Judie, tap off the excess and blend that out under the lower lash line. I'm wanting a little bit of shimmer under the lower lash line as well, so I'm just going to take that shade Faso and apply that right in the center of my lower lash line as well. I don't think that did anything, but anyway. I'm just gonna quickly spritz my face. For highlight, I want to try something a little bit different, so I'm going to go into the shade Faso and use that as my highlight, because why not? We'll see how we go. Okay, a bit different, wouldn't do that again, but it was worth a try. I'm going to take some of that shade Faso as a bit of underbrow highlight as well. Over the top of that, I want to layer some of the shade Umoja as well. And just for shits and giggles, I'm going to take some of that as highlight as well. Alright, I'm going to go in with liner, lips, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Maybe not falsies, most likely just mascara. I'm kind of getting Ursula vibes from this look. I kind of low-key love it. I would never wear this out, but oh my goodness. Pretty happy with how it looks. I had so much fun creating it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't sat down and just played with makeup for a hot minute, and doing this look, just sitting down having a play with makeup, oh, it brought me back to my happy place. It makes me so happy, and that is what Nona and I have in common, our love for makeup and different eyeshadow looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go check out Nona's video in the description box down below and find out what eyeshadow look that she came up with using the warm tone colors in this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and then please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay. Don't forget to go check out Nona's channel and chuck her a subscribe and a like on her video. Show her some love. Tell her that Judy sent you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I just spat. Don't get people sick. Judy. Excuse me. Let me scoot you guys a little bit closer. With Buzo on the outer corner, and ombreing that shade with the shade. I'll leave you. And powder. I'm going to take some of the shade Faso. I can't read backwards.